ये ब्लैंक पेपर, और इस ब्लैंक पेपर पे इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं कुछ भी ड्रॉ करने की। सो अभी तक इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज, एंड नाउ आई एम ड्रॉइंग समथिंग हियर। Something. So now this paper has a circle. Here I want to tell you that this piece of paper, initially it was a paper only. Now this is inside a circle. It has two identity. One, it is the part of this paper, and the other one, it is the circle. ये इसकी इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी है कि ये एक सर्कल है, डुअल एस्पेक्ट है। वी आर पार्ट ऑफ वन सोर्स, बट वी ऑल आर यूनिक एंड डिफरेंट। When we give a definition to any situation or anything or any relationship, and when we create some boundaries, so we are creating an identity. And when we draw the boundary and when we start the construction, a new identity is created in a 3D reality. So whenever we draw a form, we draw a shape, we create a new identity. Initially it was a Vyakt. Now after the definition, after the dimensions, after the boundary, it has its own identity. Now it is Vyakt. So infinite possibilities हैं स्पेस में, लेकिन वो तब तक व्यक्त नहीं हो रही है जब तक हम उनको डिफाइन नहीं करते हैं, या जब तक हमारा कॉन्शियसनेस उनको आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर रहा है, until unless we throw a light. So the first process, it is a part of Purusha. Purusha is light. Now I just created a circle. Still there are many possibilities, but I have a limited space. I have a boundary. So here the manifestation starts. This is the first step of Maya in 3D world. So when we start creating our house, the energy fields starts getting created. The manifestation process starts there. Dvat is dual identity, and both identity define our presence. This is very prominent point, that consciousness, Chetana, is inactive in the manifestation, and Prakriti, which is Jad, is active. It has its law and principles. When there is an action, it starts following the principle of manifestation, its own principles. Only thing what we can control is our attention. If we focus on positive side, we will get the positive manifestation of same thing, of same situation. If we focus on the negative side, we will get the negative manifestation. But Prakriti is doing its part without judging, without doing any favor. There is nothing positive or negative in Prakriti. Prakriti has a rule, Prakriti has some regulations, it identifies its elements, it identifies the guna, and it acts accordingly. When we look into the direction of northeast in Vastu, so in northeast, the source of light is there. Northeast is the zone which connects our space with cosmic intelligence. We have a field, Shikhi, which is a fire element, and this northeast is under the rulership of Lord Shiva. Next to Shikhi, we have Aditi and Diti, two fields. This zone is a watery zone. In water, there is a fire of Shikhi. Aditi is again a mother of universe which connects the inner sky with the outer sky. And there is a Diti. Diti gives us that vivek, that nirchir vivek which I talked in the previous video. It identifies what is right, what is wrong. So ये जो विवेक है, नीर चीर अलग करने का, ये दिति से आता है. Do the meditation in northeast, because northeast zone is the zone of water, is the zone of cosmic connection, and when the water element is calm and composed and we are meditating there, we are connecting our mind with the cosmic intelligence. So when water is calm, we get the maximum reflection and clear reflection. When the water is perturbed, then we get confusion. As this zone of northeast connects us with the Shiva, this zone is a good option for temple location and meditation. I was looking at the fact what is there near Mount Kailash. So I found there is two lakes. One is Mansarovar, as we all know. The other one is Rakshasa Tal, and that was made by Ravan. They are side by side. There is a passage between them, and one lake, Mansarovar Lake, is calm, and the other, Rakshasa Tal, is very perturbed and it has a salty water. But the source is there for both. So now it depends on us which water we have to choose. If we find answers in calm and composed mind, isn't it better to do some meditation? Calm your mind, look for the right answers. Instead of perturbed mind and going through anxiety and all these depression kind of things. See, every topic has a lot of details in it. So if we talk about depression, again I will start with a circle. If we look at manifestation, again I will go to the same zone. And we will identify how these zones work with our consciousness. That is life programming. When we do programming in Vastu, it connects with our mind. But every mind is not in the same condition. So every mind takes time to adjust. As I said earlier, we don't have the option to change the rules of Prakriti, because rules are inbuilt and we cannot control that. But like in a program, you will work on your inputs, you will work on your programs, you will change your functions. So with the lifestyle change, with the lessons we get from our mistakes, our failures, we change ourselves, we upgrade ourselves, we change the functioning of our mind. We change our habits. We put some restrictions on our addiction. So all these things can help us to gel with the operating system so that we can compile it better with a calm mind. Keep learning from our mistakes. First to accept our mistakes, then take the lesson and have the courage to accept and install all these changes in our lifestyle. I will talk about the theory of causation in next video.